Cost of the endodontic procedure, it varies. Why it varies? Because the materials what we are using, the equipment what we are using, it ranges from 1000 to 5000 rupees. Why so much of variation? Because of the materials. Low quality material when we can use, we will charge less. When you want to do a perfect root canal treatment, minimum charge is 3000 rupees. And if they want to do everything in a single stage technique and with rotary equipment and all the things what they have to use to perfectly means 3 to 5 is the area. In that they will use laser also for disinfection. Disinfection is the main important thing, not only the removal of the pulp. We don't want to remove any remnant, should not be there in the root. Be sure that if any remnant also after root canal treatment, you will get pain or sensitivity for hot and cold. Or for some people, if you remove also just a few days, initially 10 to 15 days, you will get a sensations for the hot and cold. After that, no sensations, nothing. So because unfortunately what is happening in an abroad and all that, wantedly they are undergoing endodontic procedures because they don't want the sensations. Hot, cold and all the sensations is a horrible and paining for us. Why unnecessarily? We can do root canal finish of the cap so that we are away from the infections, away from the sensations. The purpose of the teeth is only chewing, biting and grinding. That function anyhow it's going to happen. Why unnecessarily sensations? But sensations are needed. Tactile sensations are more important. How much heat you are taking and everything should be from the tactile only. So better not to advise root canal for the healthy. Wantedly don't go and ask any doctor to do root canal treatment until the doctor diagnose that the teeth needs root canal treatment. Yes, it is covered under insurance. Previously, none of the dental procedures are covered. Now they included lot of procedures because root canal treatment is not an cosmetic. Previously, they used to think dental itself is a cosmetic, but now most of the insurance companies are coming forward to give for the root canal treatment and basic dental procedures. Mostly they won't give for the cap, on top of the cap. They are thinking that is again a different issue because different caps are available. No one will you go for the metal caps. They will give only for the metal caps. Everyone wants what of color of the structure they lost, they want to replace the same color. None of them want a different color. So for to go a same color, you have to go for a ceramic caps. Ceramic caps is again expensive, which is not at all covered in the insurance. They treat that one as an aesthetic, cosmetic purpose.